Watch carefully as you put the eggs into the boiling water. The best new way to eat eggs is to blanch them briefly and they're ready the moment they come out of the pan. Believe me, you didn't. I've seen it. We'd never eaten this before, and it was perfect for this season, so we continued onward. The noodles need a little bit of salt. Hands are moving inwards. Keep chasing and adding white vinegar. Remember to cover the pot and turn the heat to low, let it simmer for 6 minutes. 1 more minute makes all the difference. Why add salt and white vinegar? Add salt. Adding white vinegar will quickly solidify the egg and remove its eggy smell. Why? Why use boiling water? Everyone uses boiling water to boil things. When we peeled the eggs, it was very easy and the peel was very smooth. Next, let's prepare a small ingredient. Let's prepare a bowl for the juice first. I can smell about 200 grams of soy sauce in it. This mineral water bottle costs 400 grams. If you don't have mineral water, you can use purified water, but remember, please, whatever you do, don't use deep water. Then bring out what we prepared beforehand. We added the green and red peppers, onions, and garlic slices inside. This white. Hey, let's get our hands on some sugar. We need to add a spoonful of white sesame seeds. If you like cilantro, add some more cilantro, that's all. Sauce, oh my. We can make 15 or 16 eggs. See, I share delicious and simple home-style recipes here every day. If this has helped your cooking skills even a little bit, could you please give me a thumbs up? Leave a comment. Please encourage and support. My little sister has unknowingly updated dozens of recipes already. If you like them, it's okay if you know how to do it. You can check your sister's profile to see if you can find it. My little sister, I'll give her a thumbs up. Follow for convenience. After you can find me, I'm here. Thank you everyone, it's time. We turned off the fire for him for 6 minutes. We only have 6 minutes, not a second more. We can't do it right now, so we have to scoop the egg out. Give it to him quickly. Why put it in ice water? It just came out of the pot. A tart. It's hot, so why hit it with ice water? The principle of thermal expansion and contraction. But it's eggshell. Meeting. It contracts, and it will form a shape in the middle. It's forming a small crack. When we peel it off, come and take a look. Isn't it incredibly easy? I'll show you after this is finished. Look, I'll open it. Hey, look! You have to press the button for the flowing heart. Do it this way at home. Making a runny egg is very simple. Next, we'll pour it into a container. Inside, we'll just give this sauce that we just mixed. It stirs and melts. After, pour it into the eggs. You don't see much. Many just at this time. Then let's find a lid, seal it well, and put it in the refrigerator. Refrigerate for 3 hours to allow the flavors to penetrate better. We'll see in a bit. How's the result? It's time to soak these eggs. We've been soaking it all night. Let's take it out and see how it's doing. Let's open the lid and take a look. Wow! You see? The color is just right. Doesn't it look incredibly appetizing? Let's pack it. 1 bite and your mouth is full of juicy and delicious. How about this cold poached egg? Anyone want some? Desiring a perfect score. If it's out of 100, how many points would you give me? I'll taste it for you guys first. How was it? You got right to it. The egg is so tender and smooth, and this topping. The juice is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend you try it. Note: I never mess up my cooking.